Hello everyone, last video we were discussing about positive acceleration. In this video we will discuss about negative acceleration. As we know, acceleration is the measure of change in velocity of an object per unit time. Whenever the body is traveling, suppose with some initial velocity u, and it has reached to the final velocity v in a certain time interval time t, and in that change from velocity u to v, acceleration has happened a, small a. So how we will measure the acceleration? It is the change in velocity divided by time taken. So acceleration by formula we will give it as a is equal to v minus u divided by t. So v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, t is the time taken, and a is the corresponding acceleration. SI unit of the acceleration is meter per second square. Last video we have said that the body has accelerated, or acceleration has happened when the object speed increased. But when the object speed decreases, we will say body has retarded or body has deaccelerated. One more term is negative acceleration. There we have discussed a positive acceleration. Here we will discuss negative acceleration for this retardation or decrease in speed. So what is negative acceleration? Whenever acceleration is opposite to the direction of the velocity. Here word opposite to the direction of the velocity. For the positive acceleration, the acceleration is in the direction of the velocity, but for the negative acceleration, the acceleration is in opposite direction of the velocity. Again, let us take same examples. Slowing down a moving vehicle. See, earlier what we have said, for the positive acceleration, to increase the car speed from 140 km/h to 160 km/h, simply we have pressed the foot pedal and increased the speed from 140 to 160 km/h. But never we have changed the direction of the rotating wheel either to the left or either to the right. Earlier the direction, north direction we were going, in the same direction we have accelerated the car. But whenever we will slow down the speed of the car, this kind of situation when it will come, whenever you will come some toll plaza, toll gate, then what we will do, as we will see the toll plaza, we will apply brakes, and by applying the brakes we will slow down the speed of this moving car or this moving vehicle. That is there. And one more thing is, on the road, these white patches you are seeing, white colored patches you are seeing, and those white colored patches also, actually, because they have small thickness, because of that thickness, those patches, white patches, whenever we were traveling on that white patches, body or that car will vibrate. Actually, these white patches, they will oppose motion, they will oppose some force or oppose some frictional force to this moving car. Because of that, also the car speed will get reduced. We are applying brake also, and because of that white patches, from there also some opposition to the motion of the car. In that case, I can say whenever the vehicle is slowing down its speed, the car is in negative acceleration, the car is retarded. Like that I can say. This is one example. Other example is whenever a train is coming on the platform, whenever the train is coming at the platform, similarly like here, when car is coming to the this toll plaza, we are slowing down the speed. Here also the train, it won't stop suddenly. There the brakes are applied slowly, and earlier the velocity with which this train is moving, because of applied brakes, the velocity will slow down, the speed will slow down, and slowly that train will come to the platform. So examples of this negative acceleration or retardation, the slowing down a moving vehicle and train coming to the platform, these are the perfect examples of the negative acceleration, I can say. Thank you.